Okay, so it's ashy and we don't want it like that. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know I started this video looking crazy, but we are about to install this wig. So I wanted to come on here first with just me and my old braids so we can do this completely step by step together. So I got my cap, got to be glued. I'm just gonna put some of this down in the front. I'm going to put my wig cap on. Okay, so I got the Even Wonder lace and the yellow can. I'm gonna spray that around the perimeter of my hairline. For my ears, I'm using this. Man, I don't have a hair dryer because I broke it. Still ain't getting fixed. If you watch my other videos, you already know. But I got my fan. I'm gonna take some shears and I'm gonna just cut it as close to the hairline as possible without, you know, cutting it too far back to show the hairline. These scissors is terrible fucking bull. Okay. We gotta use the eyebrow shaper to do this. So I'm using my Fenty powder. Then I'm gonna put the same powder inside of the wig, just a little bit. So this is the wig, and I'm just going to put it on my head. So I have a huge head. Wig isn't really big head girl friendly now, is it? So this is what I do when I know a wig is not gonna fit my head. I'm gonna cut right along there. Now I'm gonna take the eyebrow shaper and I'm just gonna cut it just a little bit. Not even a lot, just a little bit. That's how much I cut. Like I said, not even a lot. Goes by. So I use like 3 layers. Even spray. And put our band on. Y'all know how this go. And then I'm gonna put on an extra scarf. Then I'll come back. So I had this band on for probably like an hour. And that's what you wanna do. You wanna keep the band on for as long as possible so that it could like really melt. Let's take it off. Yeah. Let's start cutting the lace. What you wanna do is you wanna cut right here and right here. Okay, so it's ashy and we don't want it like that. I'm back over it with the makeup. I'm going to use spritz on it. So I zoomed you in so you can see. I'm gonna do some baby hairs because I like them. So this is what I got. It's gonna have to be good enough. My stick, just a little bit. I want to cut like some layers. this is how it turned out after I cut it and stuff. So I like it. It's really cute. Again, it's the Cloud 9 Emery wig, Swiss lace. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave the information so you can copy it down in the description box below. Thanks for watching.
I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the